Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change Siri language on iPhone iOS 26. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the settings app. Scroll down. Locate and click on Siri. Locate and click on language under Siri requests. Then here you have different languages available. Now go ahead and select the language you want to use. Once you selected the different language and you hit the back button, then you'll be prompted to change Siri language. So go ahead and click on change Siri language. Once you click on that, you then need to set up Siri again. So go ahead, select the language you want to choose, hit the back button, then click on change language. Now after that, then you are good. Then come back to talk to Siri, turn on talk to Siri, then you'll be prompted to set up Siri on your iPhone again using the language you selected. And that's it. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.